Right, it's time to show you the customer app. So the customer app by Squirrly. As you know, Squirrly has rebranded recently to AISQ, and now we are using the AISQ.com domain name for everything that we've built. So if you come on the home page, you can see AISQ business that gives you a site plus next level. You can see next level. You could even see a thing to join this event that you've already joined today. You can see more things about us, people who mentioned us, our history. Yeah, we've innovated a lot. If you actually go to AI leadership, you can see a lot more about all the AI tools that we've built over the years. And you can explore other tools that we've created. So you can click and you can see the rest of the tools inside our ecosystem. So we have a lot of really amazing things created for you that are available. You can join our community of innovators. You can see influencers who use our products, results that we've gained, clients who love us. You can see partnerships. You can see educational impact. You can see our awards. You can see press appearances. So there's a lot that you can do on AISQ. Now the idea is, whenever you think about next level marketing, you can just say AISQ.com. You come here and then you click on login. So from login, you can actually say that you're free users of next level marketing. So let's say that you've won some credits in one of our events or in a giveaway, you can log in here directly. This is also what you can use to log into if you already have purchase credits inside Next Level Marketing AI. However, for those of you who have just purchased the credits, especially if you've taken advantage of this phenomenal offer that we have right here, and you've taken this amount of credits, actually this stacks up, so you can buy as many of these as you want. You can go and you can buy 3 of them, you can buy 5 of them, 10 of them. It's up to you. You can go right now and you can purchase as many as you want. So when you purchase them, the first thing that you need to use is the customer app, because that's where you will find all the purchases that you've done for products by AISQ Squirrly. So let's click. It's gonna tell us to log in, but actually I'm gonna show you a logged in account. So I'm logged into this account of ours, and you can see that we have a Squirrly SEO here, and we also have credits for next level. So in this case, there are more credits in next level that are available. And you need to first think about this. You can have a video where Peter shows you how to use the customer app, everything about the tools. You can see which other tools appear here. It's all in his demo. And you can go to invoices. And in invoices, you can check out your details, and you can see the details. You can view the invoice. You can send this to your accountant, and they're going to be happy. Now on the left side, you're going to see next level marketing. And this is where the fun starts, because it shows you your credits, what it does. You can even see exciting updates that we have planned. But in order to redeem them, so you have the codes here that you've just purchased, and then you go here, because this is step 1, and then you have step 2, and you also have a screenshot that shows everything, right? And you can redeem the codes, and then the codes are going to show up. So you get everything right here in the customer app. And this is true for any kind of Squirrly product that you purchase from us. You're gonna have everything explained and detailed inside the customer app. So that's why it's worth logging into it. And this is how you actually get credits inside Next Level Marketing. So first you come to the customer app where you've purchased. This is a very important part, because you can click and contact our support from here. You don't have to think like, okay, where does Squirrly have contacts? Where does Next Level Marketing have contacts? Well, where does AISQ have contacts? No, you can just come to the customer app. So you go to AISQ.com, you log into the customer app, and you click on support, and boom, you're ready to speak to us. And you also have our email, but it's always better to use the support form because it gets integrated with the rest of our system. And you can check out the other resources that we've created for Next Level Marketing. If you want to know what brands are, here are more details about brands. You can watch videos, you can join our community of AI innovators. So there's a lot of cool things that you can do directly from the customer app, and you can get your codes easily and then place them inside your app. So that's how you get started. And if you have other products from us, for example, if you have Squirrly Spy, this is where you're gonna find your reports. Once we manually create them, you can tell us which URLs you want us to create your reports for. You can go to Squirrly SEO, and if you buy other products like Email Hero or Squirrly Social, they're also gonna show up here. If you buy Content Look is also going to show up here. So it's absolutely phenomenal, and it's an easy experience. And now you know how easy it is to log in and how you can get your first credits inside Next Level Marketing AI. Now don't forget that for the duration of this event, you can go and you can use the insider pack. It's a very good value, and you're gonna see that as soon as you click on it, because the official pricing is way higher than this. So by joining this event, you're getting a lot of credits that you can keep using, because the credits don't expire. So you can use them whenever you want. You buy them now, you can use them whenever you want. That's why a lot of people are stacking 10 codes. Some are stacking actually 20 codes. They're making multiple purchases, and they keep stacking codes, and they will use whenever they want, the brands they want, for the clients they want, or for the other businesses that they have and side projects. So that's how you use the customer app, and this is what I want to show you. This is the whole experience, and even on the Next Level site, you will see that the login is the same. So you will also have the same kind of login to customer app or login directly into the app. But if you haven't placed your credits in the app yet, you need to go to the customer app. And now we've made it very simple and very easy for you to access our customer app. So you can go to nextlevelmarketing.ai, or you can go directly to AISQ.com. You will find the login button. The button takes you to the customer app, and then to the rest of our apps and everything that we've created. Thank you very much for watching this session. I hope you enjoy the rest of the event.